Hello, and welcome to another update video on ICP. The ICP chart is still in a decline. I made a video over the last few days, I think every single day. And I explained to you that we have no evidence yet that this wave 2 bounce has started. I was watching for it though already a few days ago here. That was on Sunday the 16th, pretty much a week ago. That could have been, and honestly that actually could be the wave 2. But I think it looks better with a wider wave 2 anyway. So anyway, I'll leave the resistance area where it is. I mean, I've adjusted it very slightly over the last few days with the price still going a bit lower. It makes sense to adjust the resistance area. Bottom line is, I do not expect a new breakout from here to the upside. The chart looks weak. It's looked weak, or it's been looking weak for the last few weeks. Especially when the price did not even give us a decent bounce here. I mean, that was a warning. Then this clear fifth wave to the downside is another warning. And it just means that the market is more motivated to go down. Well, it kind of makes sense, right? But the question is, how do I mean that? Well, I'm looking at the structure, and I can see from that high, which formed after the third wave was done, in an ABC structure here, it looks obviously like 3 waves up and 5 waves down. Now, what do I always teach? The trend direction is indicated by how many waves we've got. If we get 5 waves, the trend is down. 5 waves down, right? So if 5 waves go to the downside, that's a series of lower lows and lower highs. I do not have a series of higher highs and higher lows here to the upside. It's just not. I just don't. It's 3 up. The market tried to, but failed. It should have turned around at the latest here for a 5th wave. It couldn't do that. So resistance is being respected. It hasn't even really reacted here to the golden ratio level. Also, that's a sign of weakness. So I still am not convinced that we're breaking out here. It certainly was interesting to watch it when the price reached here the $9.77 level. Again, that was the first ideal target for a bullish 3rd wave, but the pullback is a 5-wave move, so I can't favor that. And the next support level is at 366. Something different might be playing out, maybe a more just from a bullish point of view, there are still options, yeah. But until I actually see the next 5-wave move up, there isn't really anything really bullish there in the short term, yeah. I am, however, still watching the chart for a bounce. It is due. I mean, this wave 2 bounce is due, but it's not really showing yet, which just indicates the weakness at the moment, which means the idea currently is, and my idea is currently that the next bounce, I would treat it, first of all, as a 3-wave move up, and the bulls would need to, let's say, convince me that something different is playing out. The market would need to change direction by showing me a 5-wave move up. Then we can again, we're back, bulls are back. But for now, bears are clearly leading, and we can identify that just by looking at the structure, the number of the waves in the pattern, and the resistance is defined. I will adjust it if the market dips a little lower, but really, that wave 2 bounce is just due. So I keep watching. I'll make you aware if anything changes, of course. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. I keep you updated there as well. The link is in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.